How to use LinkedIn on mobile. In order to use LinkedIn on mobile, you need to follow these steps. First thing, you have to download and install the LinkedIn app. Open up your respective app store and type in LinkedIn on the search bar and install the app. After done installing it, click on the open button. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to quickly sign in or sign out of this account and then show you the procedure to sign in. So when you launch open a LinkedIn app, you'll be provided with different option, either to continue with Google or sign in with email. So now you want to first of all click on join now. Go ahead and add in your first name, last name, and continue with your email address, and then go ahead and set a password as well. After which, click on the continue button. Next field, you have to do the quick security check. So just follow the on-screen prompt, and once you're done with this procedure, you'll have created your account. Now what you need is the remaining part. You have to make sure to add in your profile information detail. So for that, you could go ahead and add in your bio. You could upload CV, resume, whatever you have, and upload your photos and all that stuff. And this way you could use LinkedIn on mobile. Once you've done with that procedure, or once you're done adding in your following information, you'll have successfully created your account for LinkedIn. Then you could start using LinkedIn on your device. So that's the way you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.